what is up? It's AtomiCSwift. I'm back here with another video. I know it's been 2 weeks. Sorry. I've been a very busy man. But I did get something in the mail today that I want to share. And as you can tell by the title of the video, I got my first Chucky doll. I bought this off of Amazon. Spirit Halloween store. This is the Spirit Halloween 2021 Chucky doll that apparently you can buy at the mall or in Spencer stores, or in the mall, whatever. But and yeah, a few people have done reviews on it. I've been waiting to get a good Chucky doll. I thought of getting a good guy doll, but I want the Chucky doll with the scars and the Stitch face, because I do like the original Chucky, don't get me wrong, but the Bride of Chucky and on Chucky with the scars and, you know, the stitch in the face and stuff, he just looks so fucking badass. I had to have that one. And I was really looking into getting the Mezco, what is it, the Mezco, I'm trying to remember which one that was. So they had the pizza face Chucky. Thought of getting that one. Thought it was a doll. It's a 15-inch action figure. I don't want an action figure. I want an actual doll. Mezco came out with another one, a Bride of Chucky looking doll. Well, what I thought was a doll. Turned out 15-inch tall action figure, like this tall, whatever. I want a doll. And so I looked at some of the other ones at Spirit Halloween, which is owned by Spencer's Gifts. Came out with, the face looked off, the eyes looked off, so I never really thought of getting any of those ones. And then I found this one on Amazon, and then I watched reviews for it, and I just looked it up online, and people said it looked good. I mean, it looked good in the picture. It looked pretty much like the one from Bride of Chucky, you know, Seed of Chucky, whatever. And yeah, so I got it. And like I said, just came in the mail from Amazon. It was...
Sorry, I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. It looks like a router issue, so try restarting it. Unplug the router, wait 10 seconds, then plug it back in.
My internet's down, you dumb bitch. Oh, fucking Cox internet's down again here in Vegas. That's my Alexa sitting right there. I don't know what the hell she thought I said, you know, her name, but I don't think I did. But anyway... So this is the 2021 Spirit Halloween Chucky doll. It doesn't talk, so just so you know that right off the bat. I wanted one that talks, but the ones that talk didn't look as legit as the Chucky ones. And I know there's other ones you can get, you know, like the exact replica one from like Seed of Chucky. Those are like $600. I don't want to spend $600 for a doll that's just going to sit there. So this was better. Like I said, on Amazon it was like $69. I think it was $69.99 with tax and everything. Came out to like 76 or 77 bucks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the box right now. I just cut it open while I was blabbing. Oh, you know, I don't see his face yet, but I do gotta say, look at that. The first look I got. Fucking good guy overalls. I'm liking it so far. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sorry guys. Wow. Wow. This thing looks fucking badass. Now the only thing I would have changed, you know, about this one, wish it came with a good guy box. It doesn't. It came just in box and the plastic wrap, which I'm just going to keep him in his plastic wrap. You can buy the good guy box from Spirit Halloween. I think it's like a $30 box. I'll probably get one of those eventually. But yeah, up until that point, he's going to display in the package. I mean, he looks fucking cool. Oh my, look at him. I'm telling you, look at him in videos. Like I said, I watch reviews. I looked at pictures, stuff like that, and those did not do him justice. That's kind of weird. Yeah, so his hair's a little. Yeah, I mean, who's gonna look at it? Like right here, there's a little bit of looks like melted hair or something. But I mean, once you, yeah, I mean, who's looking at that? Ain't nobody gonna look at that. Wow, he looks fucking so cool. Like I said, the videos do not do him justice. To actually see him in person, I mean, the good guy, I mean, it's a solid doll. I like the, come on, I'm trying to get the hair to quit falling over his face. I mean, look at that shit. Wow. Wow. Toto, get out of here. Stop. Okay, so, I mean, he looks awesome. Like I said, the only thing I would change looking at him right now would be a good guy doll box. Would have been nice. And, you know, that he would talk. I mean, like I said, he doesn't talk. I mean, just everything. The overalls. Look, the shoes. Look, it's even got the good guy. Remember when he leaves the footprints? They see the footprints with the good guy tread. And I can't remember what Chucky that was. And it's got the little Spencer's Chucky tag on it right here. It says, yeah, it just says Chucky 2, RBG, ages 14 and up. Wow. But yeah, so the thing I do like about him here, I'm just going to scoot closer here. So if you look at his clothes, and the other ones that I saw didn't have this, I mean, he's damaged. I mean, you know, not the doll itself, you know, obviously they made it this way. But, you know, he's got like slashes in his clothes. Like, look, slashed, you know, ripped, slashed on his shirt right here. Yeah, because obviously this Chucky, you know, in the movies, the one that was killed at the end of 3, and then, you know, Tiffany got the body, stitched him back together. Obviously, that fan did damage to him, and, you know, it cut up his clothes. I mean, look, he's got cut marks in his clothes. I really love the good guy's overalls on the front. And then this is what it looks like on the back. Like I said, the hair is just, I don't know. It's like, I don't know, just, I don't know. The back of his hair right here, maybe it's supposed to look like that, I don't know, but it looks like his hair was burned or something. But I mean, you comb it down, ain't nobody gonna notice that. I'm not gonna raise a fuss. I mean, he's just gonna be on display on a shelf. Man, he looks so cool. I mean, look at the shoes. Like I said, look at the shoes. The shoes are the fucking good guy shoes. They are so awesome. And then look, he's even got a stitch on his hand. And the other hand is clean. And then the thing I really like that really makes the doll stand out, besides the you know how perfect they got the scarring and the stitching, and then like look here, he actually has staples holding his hair. Remember, because she used a staple gun to staple part of him back together. So he's got a fake staple there, and then stitches in his face. But the eyes, the other ones I noticed. A lot of the Chucky dolls, they were just painted eyes. These are actual, like a glass eyeball, this one. And this one right here, too. They're both glass eyeballs. So it really gives him that hint of realism. I mean, that really does look like Chucky. Charles Lee Ray. But yeah, it's cool. You know, it's got the little buttons for the overalls, the shirt. The little good guy designs on the overall. I mean, just so you do know, if you decide to buy this, you can't sit him down. He doesn't bend and sit. He just stands. And what I don't understand, so people told me he doesn't stand on his own. I've got him standing on my, yeah, let me see here. Yeah, people said he couldn't stand. I've got him standing on my counter. You can't see him, but I've got him, you know, you can look in the mirror. I've got him standing on the counter. I don't know why people said he couldn't stand on his own. Yeah, it's pretty awesome though. I like it. It's got real shoelaces. Got the rubber good guy shoes. Man, he looks so cool. I mean, I've been wanting, like I said, I've wanted a Chucky doll for years, but other ones I looked at always looked just slightly off. You know, not exactly like Chucky. And I mean, this one, you know, this one looks like Chucky. I mean, it doesn't look as good as like the $600 one, like I said, because this one's $70, but still looks good. Still looks damn good. I mean, look. So you look at the side of his head, right? You got all the scarring, you know, from when she stitched him back together, staples, and then you. So hey, stop it! See, he's even got the cuts in his chin, where the fan blade at the end of 3 sliced him. See, and then you go to the other side. See, he's even got this scar up the side of his cheek to his ear. The really cool part, if you look at this, look, you can even see the metal on the inside of the head. I mean, this is just, wow. What an awesome Chucky. This is really cool. Like I said, Spencer's Gifts. People on the reviews on YouTube said you can buy this in store for $60. Like I said, I bought it on Amazon. $10 more if the $60 really is true. I bought it for $10 more. But honestly, looking at this doll, said he doesn't talk. That's the only downside of the doll itself. Is I really wish he did talk. Stop! Dickheads. I really wish he did talk. That would have been cool. But overall, like over him talking, I would rather have him look like this. I mean, that's a damn good Chucky. Even the hair. Like a lot of the ones, the hair looks fucked up. Like they've got one, I think it's, is it Mezco's? I think it's one of the 15-inch figures. He talked, but his hair didn't look right. Like this hair actually looks pretty good. You know, it's actually real, like, you know, doll hair. You can just move it, stuff, and it's pretty cool though. It's fucking cool. I'm real glad I waited to get this Chucky, as opposed to the opposed to the other Chuckies that I've seen online. Like I said, this is Spencer's Spirit Halloween's 2021 Chucky. I mean, he looks badass. He looks so badass. Man, he looks so cool. Look at that. Don't fuck with the Chuck. Charles Lee Ray. But anyway, so that's my video. Sorry it's been a while. Like I said, I've been busy working and doing other stuff, so I didn't have time to make any new videos. I'm going to try to get on making more. I just wanted to make this one because he just came in the mail yesterday. So, but anyway, thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for all likes, comments, subs. And as always, bye for now.
You thought?